Hi. So, if you're looking to strengthen your bones and boost your calcium intake without relying on animal based products, this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to talk about the top 12 calcium rich foods for vegetarians. As you know, that calcium is essential for strong bones, healthy teeth, and overall bodily functions. The good news is you don't need dairy or meat to meet your daily calcium needs. Yes, so grab a notebook and let's explore these amazing vegetarian options that are simply going to provide you with a calcium boost. The number one is the sesame seeds. Now, these tiny seeds are packed with calcium here. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds in a day contain about 88 mg of calcium, which is definitely going to help you. You can sprinkle them on salads, take them on your yogurts, or even blend into the tahini paste for a delicious calcium-rich dip. So the number two is the almonds. A handful of almonds can give you almond around 76 mg of calcium, and they are also rich in vitamin E and calcium and healthy fats. Snack on them raw, make almond butter, or even use almond flour in your baking as well. Let's talk about the number three, broccoli. Now, did you know that broccoli is a great source of calcium? Yes, 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides about 62 mg of calcium, and plus it's full of antioxidants and vitamin C as well. Add it to the stir fry, soups, or enjoy it as a healthy side dish, which you're simply going to love. Another one is the spinach. Yes, so spinach is a leafy green superstar with about 245 mg of calcium per cooked cup. Yes, but keep in mind spinach also contain oxalates that can interfere with the calcium absorption. To get the most benefit, you can pair it with foods which are rich in vitamin C. Taking it by making some smoothies along with the lemon or orange will definitely going to provide you with a super rich absorption of spinach and the calcium content in it. Another one is the chia seeds. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain around 177 mg of calcium. Now these versatile seeds are perfect for smoothies, puddings, or even sprinkled over oatmeal. Bonus is that they are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Another one, which is the sixth one, is the tofu. 100-gram serving of calcium-set tofu can provide over 35 which is 350 mg of calcium. Now, it's a perfect option for vegetarians and vegans. Use it in your stir fry, soups, or even desserts like tofu pudding, which can definitely help you a lot. Another one, which is the kale. Now, kale is another leafy green vegetable and that is also rich in calcium. 1 cup of cooked kale provides about 177 mg of calcium. Now, that's delicious in salads, soups, or baked into crispy kale chips, which you definitely going to help you. Another one is the amaranth. Now, this Asian green is not only rich in calcium but also high in iron and protein. So, 1 cup of cooked amaranth gives you about 116 mg of calcium. Cook this as a porridge or use the flour in your favorite recipes so that you can reap the benefits of it. Another one is the white beans. Now, you might be wondering that white beans are another excellent source of calcium. Yes, because its color is also white and calcium is also going to provide your bones with a strong. And with about 160 mg per cup, it is definitely going to help your calcium intake and your bones. Add them to your soup, stews, or salads for a healthy and a filling meal that you're definitely gonna love. Another one is the figs. Both fresh and dried figs are calcium-rich snacks. Yes, 5 dried figs provide about 135 mg of calcium. They are sweet, they are chewy, and they are a great addition to desserts or breakfast bowls that they're simply gonna love you when you take figs for your calcium intake. Another one is the fortified plant-based milk. Yes, these fortified plant-based milks like almond, soy, oat milk are excellent dairy alternatives. Many varieties are enriched with calcium, offering up to 300 per mg per cup. Always check the label for calcium content, which you are simply going to love at all. Another one is the okra, which is the ladyfinger. This humble vegetable is often overlooked, but okra contains about 82 mg of calcium per cup. It's versatile and can be used in curries, it can be used in stores or even roasted as a snack, which you're definitely going to love. And also I'm going to talk about that how you can take benefits of calcium and if you can take supplement as well. For taking the calcium supplement safely and effectively, in order if you don't follow the vegetarian diet, you can choose the right type of calcium supplement like calcium carbonate because it is doing very well when it comes to taking it with meals for better absorption. You can go for calcium citrate as well, and it can be taken with or without any food, which can definitely help you. Now the quantity which I'm going to talk about calcium intake is about adults for its 1000 mg per day. For women over 50 and men over 70, it's 1200 mg per day. And adolescents who are 9 to 18 years can go up to 1300 mg per day so that you can enjoy the benefits as per your own age and the recommended daily allowance, which is RDA for the calcium. Now this is all about today's video. Hope you have liked about and safely follow the steps which I mentioned along with the 12 rich calcium foods. So thanks for watching the video and stay healthy and stay happy for long.